how are you? This is Neri Omar and I just finished for you this lovely makeup look. I used for the first time Dolce & Gabbana, this marvelous eyeshadow palette. It's gorgeous, very easy to use and to work with. If you are curious to see how did I use this in here, please keep watching. The makeup tutorial will start now. See you in 1 second. Hello again. I primed my face, I primed my eyes, and now I'll prime with you my lips with Chanel the serum. It has been a while I didn't use it. Very good product. Very good, guys. Today I'm going to use for the first time, I'm so excited, this beautiful Dolce & Gabbana number 2, I think, Rose Goddess. Put the link down below. This gorgeous one. I will start this time a little bit different. Pencil brush, Tom Ford, this one, okay. But the darkest shade in all the palette, this one. Okay, and I will make a V here, kind of V. Okay. Try to make the V at the end of your, see, like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't look pretty, I know now. I know. Forget about that now. Fluffy blending brush. Where's this one? Just to blend outside here. Okay, just to blend. Just here too, little bit. Okay. No, it doesn't look pretty, guys, I know. But just wait for it. Like I always tell my subscribers and the people watching me, try to wait till the end of the video so you will see the final look. I'll pick this one from Sonia G and I'll take the darkest one again. Still with the darkest one.
Blend it. Just wait for it. It will come together, I promise. I promise.
The darkest shade. Slowly, little by little, so you get the shape you want. All that with the darkest shade in the palette. This is the base of the look. know it doesn't look pretty now, I know guys, but wait for it. Lightest shade here, just blend here. Okay. Just blend. Now for a flat brush, I'll take this gorgeous shade here till the crease. Beautiful shade. And you know my technique, I tap, right? Eyeliner brush, I will take the darkest again. I did this one here. I flip it, this shade, not above the crease. See what I'm doing? Here. Clean, fluffy brush. Okay guys, let me go apply my foundation and my concealer, and I do my eyebrows and come back and see now the eyes after the concealer and the eyebrows and stuff. I picked Prada eyeliner, the Mahogany and the Wood. Okay, the Mahogany under here. Yeah, better. And I don't want to have black on the top of my eyes, so I took the Wood. The same effect, but more softer than the black. God bless my contacts. Yeah. Louboutin mascara. I think it's almost finished with this one. I love this mascara, it's expensive, but it's worth it. Okay. Beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I will take this shade for my brow bone. We'll start in this curve. Open the eyes. This palette is easy to play with. Very easy. My finger and with the one in the middle. Gorgeous guys. SISLEY bronzer. Still brand new. Chanel brush. The other one hit the pan, it was broken. That's why I bought a new one. So I cannot live without, you know, those essentials has to be in my makeup. You know that I don't contour my nose. I just do with my bronzer. Like what I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing, but it works, for me at least. Okay. This is pretty. One roses. This is the tweed pink. Smile. Yeah, so pretty. This is good. And then highlighter, Hermes Rosy. Ah, this one. Can you see that? Ooh. Good choice, Neri. Good choice. The new one, Dior Forever. This one, the white one. Let me use it all over. Let's see what it's going to do. Don't know. Finishing powder. Okay. Okay, let me go wear my clothes and do my hair and come back to you for the final look. I did my hair straight and I picked Dolce & Gabbana lipstick. Done this all, of course, limited edition. Very soft. Ah, nice. Very nice, but it's an orangey little bit. Chanel Glossy Me. Anyway, I don't wear pink. Last touch, it's the parfum. Parfum today is Eyelash Soie de Parfum. It's totally different than what I have in my collection. I love it. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you all the details, the recap like I do every time because I'm in a hurry. I'm always in a hurry. But all the links will be down below. Click and shop. It's everything down in the description box. You'll find all the details of everything I used. And I hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.